Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can install Viva TV on your Amazon FireStick device using the works on all FireStick models, including FireStick Lite, FireStick 4K, FireStick 4K Max, and Fire TV Cube. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to the home screen of your FireStick and move to the left until you reach the search option. Click on Search, and you will see an on-screen keyboard that allows you to search for any app available in the Amazon App Store. Here, type Downloader. After typing a few letters, the Downloader app will appear in the search results. Scroll down and click on it. Now select the bright orange Downloader icon and press the Download or Get button. Wait a few moments while the app installs on your FireStick device. Once the Downloader app is installed, we need to allow your FireStick to install apps from outside the Amazon App Store. Hold down the Home button on your remote for about 2 to 3 seconds, and then click on Settings. From there, move right and select My Fire TV, then open Developer Options. If you do not see Developer Options, go to About and click on your FireStick name 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Options have been enabled. Press the Back button, open Developer Options, and turn on apps from unknown sources. If you are using FireStick 4K Max, your menu may look a little different, so just turn on Downloader from the list. Now that everything is set up, hold down the Home button again and go to Apps. Scroll down to the bottom of the list where your recently installed apps appear and open Downloader. When you launch it for the first time, it will ask for a few permissions. Click Allow, then click OK. On the Downloader home screen, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type the Viva TV URL, 221-3536, then click Go. Wait a few seconds while it connects to the server, and once connected, the Viva TV app will start downloading automatically. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, the installation screen will appear. Move to the right and click Install. Wait a few moments while the app installs, and once it's finished, click Done. Now delete the installation file to save storage space by clicking Delete, then confirming Delete again. That's it. Viva TV is now successfully installed on your FireStick. Hold down the Home button, select Apps, and scroll to the bottom of the list where you'll find Viva TV. Open the app and start streaming movies, TV shows, and live content directly on your Amazon FireStick device. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends who use FireStick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.